So one of the things I wanted to talk about today is the disparity between how fraud is uncovered, which the number one way is by tip. It's because somebody knows something, and audit procedures, which only find about 4 to 5% of fraud. Why is that disparity there? One of the things I believe, and was my own experience as a young auditor and accountant myself, was that we auditors do not understand the barriers we put between ourselves and the people we want to get information from. As an example, we often perceive ourselves as nice, we're rule followers, we're probably the people that volunteer for the local school board or little league treasurer job, whatever that might look like. We are personable. If you and I went out to lunch or happy hour or for a coffee, we'd probably have a really nice conversation talking not only about our work, but our families too. We see ourselves as personable and people that we can relate to. But how does that change when we walk into an organization with our blazers on and the scarlet letter A underneath that blazer? We're suddenly the auditor, and we are suddenly scary. And even though those folks look at us as potentially scary, as potentially not approachable, we don't realize necessarily that we are being perceived that way. And because of that, we've already put a barrier between ourselves and the people that have that information, and we don't even know it. So one of the things I encourage you is to at least understand that that barrier is there, and find ways to be approachable. Drink the crappy coffee, eat lunch, eat your peanut butter and jelly in the break room. Use the copy machine, say hi to people and try to engage with them even when it has nothing to do with your specific audit procedure. Find ways to be approachable so that people feel safe coming to you with information that might in fact relate to fraud.